Welcome to Make It Monday. Hey, with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you happy naturalistas. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. But hold up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome family. I would love to have you a part of our Savvy Naturalista family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. If you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara better, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. And in this episode of Making Monday, we are making no citric acid bath bomb, a bath bomb recipe. But in this episode, we are going to use JELLO. So I have a disclaimer for all you guys who are allergic to JELLO or the powder in JELLO. You may not want to use it. JELLO does not contain any citric acid, but you know, everybody's walking around here with allergies now. I'm not going to start nothing about the allergy situation because you guys, most of you know I'm allergic to dairy, okay? So I'm not going to get into like everybody got an allergy because I have a dairy allergy, seriously, and I'll get really sick. And it's just not coming out. This literally mucus and it's just a mess when I eat dairy. But anyways, this is a whole nother story for another time. I just want to say, if you are allergic to JELLO, you may not want to try this recipe. Also, these bath bombs do not really fizz, okay? So they don't fizz up, but they will become solid. And this is just a really easy recipe to play with. It's really easy. It's really fun to make. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Make It Monday. And let's get into these no citric acid JELLO bath bombs and let's go. So in order to make these bath bombs, you want to start off with 2 cups of baking soda. Now this tutorial is going to get really messy, you guys, so side note, if it looks like a mess, my bad. So after you use 2 cups of baking soda, we're going to add a cup of cornstarch, and you want to mix that all together until it's combined. Now we're going to add the JELLO. So this is a family size pack. You can use any type you like. I'm just using the family size pack. So now we're going to mix that until it's combined. You can put it through a sifter to get all the clumps out, but what I found is there was no clumps. I guess that was because of the citric acid. So now we're going to add a 1/4 cup, a 1/2 cup of hemp seed oil. However, you can use any oil you like. Now we're going to use Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, and we're going to mix in our Miracle Glow oil until it is combined, you guys. Now this part is really difficult, so just start mixing it with your hands. You could use a blender, not a blender, a mixer to mix this stuff. This stuff is really thick, or this bath bomb mixture with no citric acid is really thick. Side note, they do smell really good when you're using them, but woo, this mixture is really thick, you guys. So make sure you mix it all in until it's combined. So that's what you guys see me doing. This part is really easy. So now I'm adding a tablespoon of glycerine, and I'm adding a teaspoon of fragrance oil to the mixture. So that was what was in the 1/4 cup. It was actually 3 tablespoons of glycerine and a teaspoon of fragrance oil I just mixed into the mixture, you guys. So now I'm using this beautiful glitter gold to make the bath bomb sparkle. So this part is really easy, and then I'm adding purple to it just to make sure the bath bomb sparkle. You don't have to do this part, it is optional, but I thought it would give it a little flair. Now I'm going to use Aqua de Rosas, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. It's an all natural rose water facial toner, and I love using it for this no citric acid bath bombs. Now this mixture is so thick, so you may need a lot of the mixture. So go ahead and use about a 1/4 cup of the mixture. You want to make sure this mixture is really moist. It can't be dry like a regular bath bomb mixture. It has to be super moist, like really, really moist, you guys. So this is what it looks like. So now we're going to compact it in a muffin tin. I got this muffin tin at the dollar store, so you should find it anywhere you like. And you just want to compact the mixture, and at the same time that you're compacting it inside, you want to make sure you spray it as well, because this mixture does dry up quickly. I don't know if it was because I'm really in the desert that it was drying up quickly, but I feel like if you're in a humid climate, maybe it won't dry up as quickly. I don't know, but you guys see me spraying it as well, and that's to really make sure this mixture stays moist. And as you can see, it's not fizzing, and the reason why it's not fizzing is because these no citric acid bath bombs do not fizz, you guys. But a lot of you wanted me to make a bath bomb with no citric acid, so I'm obliging you guys by making these bath bombs, and they do smell good as well. So you really don't need the fragrance oil. I just added just a little bit of cherry fragrance oil just to make sure it popped through the jello as well as the glycerine. So that's what I did in the quarter cup, if you guys forgot about that part. So now we're gonna pack it in to this easy muffin tin that you could get at the dollar store, and I am using my hand with no gloves, my bad. And now here's the finished product. Voila! So now we're gonna tappa. There you go, tap again, tappa. Look at how beautiful these are. And be gentle, because some of them may crumble, especially if you don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye, you guys!